Hi guys, how are you all doing? If you're new here, my name is Rodian, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your level and make sure that it's correct. Last thing you want is to plumb up your brickwork, plumb up your timber, anything, and it be completely wrong because your level said it was incorrect. Very simple thing to do. All you're going to need, 2 screws, either a screwdriver or impact driver or a drill or anything to screw said screws in, and obviously the levels you'd like to check. In this case I've got a piece of 2x4 here which I'm going to use to check the level, and I don't know if you can see this but off screen I've got a fence post which I use as profiles to check the plumb. You can use any flat plane, your decking out the back of your house, even on the job on a bit of scaffolding, anything like that, flat plane. And for the plumb I would suggest a fence post is probably the best way to go, or inside of your shed or anything like that. So all you do, take your 2 screws, put them in a piece of timber, roughly what you think level will be, like so. Then you take your level that you want to check. In this case I'll check my old Stabila to see how it goes. Put her in like that, and I'll tell you what, that was a good guess because that's bang on level. Now if you need to adjust it, what you do is you take the level off but don't turn it round. Have it the same way, then adjust the screws and put it back on. Always put it back on the same way around, because the way we check this is that's level. So what you do from there is you turn the level around 180 degrees and put it back on. If it says it's level, then your level's good. If it says it's out, then your level's not good. So if one way around shows level, turn it around, it's completely different, that means your level's out. But if it's showing exactly the same either way round, then your level's good. Another good way of testing it is have the bubble on one of the lines on your level, so you know it's exact, and then you turn it around 180 degrees, check it again. That's how you check your level. So this one's right. Now funny enough, I've already checked all of these off camera before I did it to see if any of them were actually out, and I've even tried to find a really bad old level, but it turns out that they're all perfect. So it's a good way of checking. I would say you should probably do this maybe once every couple of months or so, depending on how. If you're someone who completely constantly whacks your level, then I'd say check it a bit more often, but maybe once a month, once every 2 months, it depends. Or maybe before. Oh, I'll tell you what, that one is a little bit out. No, it's not out. I thought it was. Yeah, so I'd say once every 2 months check your level. Right, okay, so from here you take your screws out and go against the fence post and see if we can plumb these up. Right, so when it comes to plumbing your levels, making sure they're correct, you do exactly the same thing as you did on the horizontal way. We just slam it up vertically. So what I've done, again, I've already put screws in, put 1 screw in here, 1 screw in here. As long as it's within the length of your level, you'll be fine. Just don't be doing this on your neighbour's fence post without asking them first, just in case they get a bit funny. And then you do exactly the same thing as you would do with a level, but plumb it. Make sure that it's plumb. And then again, if it's not, take it off, don't twist it round, adjust the screws so it is plumb, and then again, bang it on there, check it, that is plumb, and then all you do, again, flip the level over, check it again, that one says it's plumb, so that one is correct. Do the same with all your levels, put that one on, again, plumb, lovely, flip it round, try it again, plumb, perfect. Now this is the one I thought was going to be wrong, my big 6-foot one. Put it up there, that's plumb, turn it round, and that is still plumb. So I did give Silverline a bit of grief, but turns out they're actually not that bad. So there you go, Stabila versus Silverline. Maybe that should be a video, who knows. Anyway, let me know down in the comments if you've enjoyed this video. If there's anything else you would like me to address, then please do pop it down in the comments. Leave a like down below if you've enjoyed this video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you guys in the next episode. And the next episode we're going to get the trowel out and start doing some basic techniques with muck and the trowel. So if you enjoy that and you want to hang around for that, then please do subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.